everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna show you guys how to create the football in Illustrator. And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for my upcoming videos. So please watch the video up to the end and let's start the video. Hold Shift and Alt key to make it bigger. And then hold Alt key to make a copy. Press Ctrl D to repeat the step. Select it and press Delete key. Press Ctrl plus zoom in and press Ctrl minus zoom out. And then hold Shift and Alt key to make it small. Select it, hold Alt key and drag it to make a copy. Select them and hold Alt key and drag it to make a copy. Select all of these, hold Alt key and drag it to make a copy, then press Ctrl D to repeat the step. Select all of these and drag it to the symbol panel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for my upcoming videos, as well as follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. Links of the Instagram and TikTok and Facebook IDs are pinned in the description of my channel, and I will be right back with another amazing video.